It started small, a tickle, a warning. His body said, "Let it out," but he didn't. He pinched his nose, clenched his jaw, shut it down. And that's when it changed. The pressure had nowhere to escape, so it turned inward, upward, behind his eyes, behind his sinuses, behind his ears. Inside his skull, it became a sealed explosion, pressure building behind his nose. The pressure started swirling up from his throat. It reached his ears. It searched for an escape, which it couldn't find. Then the ringing started, sharp, sudden, then pop. So the next time you feel that sneeze building, don't clamp it shut. Turn away, cover your elbow, and let it go.